If you want a YouTube thumbnail looking like this from your iPhone in like 5 minutes, then keep watching. It's your boy Harismo.
Alright, what's good? So this is my iPhone right here, and alright, so first thing you want to do is download this little red app right here. Its name is Fonto. You're gonna open Fonto, and so this is the thumbnail that I've already created. So we're gonna recreate this. So we're gonna click the little camera at the bottom, and then click. You can do two things: plain images, and this is for the YouTube thumbnail size. You're gonna want to click 1920 by 1080. Boom. There you go, that's the size. And you can mess with the color, make it all nice. Or what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna pick a image that I already have. So I'm gonna go to photo albums and I'm gonna click this from Rocket League, a good video game. And boom, you should check out my Rocket League videos if you like that. And next thing we're gonna do is we're gonna click the three lines and we're gonna click add image. And okay, first thing you wanna do before that is if you have an image look-alike, if you want an image with a transparent background, just as an example, me selected only, if you want something like that and you have an image that looks like this instead, what you're going to want to do is in the iOS 16 update, you can just select the person and you're going to want to drag him over to notes and just paste him in there, and you're going to have that right there. Then you just hold on the dude and you click share, and you can click save image right here. Boom, save image. But I've already done that, so I'm just gonna click the three lines, add image, and then I'm gonna click on the image. Boom, bada bing. Super fast, right? Isn't that quick? If you like speedy tutorials, please let me know in the comments. Next, what you're going to do, I need to add another image. I'm gonna add, and if you need other images that are also transparent like this right here, just search up whatever image you want and just type transparent in front of it, and then you should find it. That's what I did for this. So just boom. Oh, it's a little too big. Let me make that. Speaking of big, it would be a big help if you smash that like button. Then okay, if you want to add text, you just click anywhere on the image and then click this add text, and I'm just gonna type rockets. Boom, and make it a little smaller, and league, boom, just like so. And as you can see, it's a little hard to see the text because of the background, so you can actually do is just click on the text and then you can click style and you go to stroke and pause. You can go to stroke and you can turn up alpha, make it black or whatever color you want. I'm gonna pick black, and you can mess with the width to make it bigger or smaller. Boom, that's one. If you want to change the color, you click style again. You can go to the text tab, click white. I'm gonna click white. This one, same thing. Just I guess like this is fine. Yeah, that looks alright. And I'm gonna add some more images real quick. This is another image that I just searched up. Transparent Rocket League core. Where is it? Where is it at? I don't see it. Oh, it's right there behind the text. Are you serious, bro? What are you trying to hide from? You can tilt it a little bit like this. I want a little tilt so it looks like it's flying. And if your image is like over another image and you want it to be like, you see the little lines boost is over me, all you want to do is click the image and you see the boost is now under me. So that's a lot better, right? Now we're gonna add another thing, this keyboard. And click on me again. See, now it's in the background, right? Boom. Now I'm just going to tweak a little bit. I'm going to show you the final results. Okay, so if you like what you got right here, all you have to do is click the little box with the arrow right here, and then you can click save image or as PNG. I'm going to click save image. Boom. That is it.
Alright, and now if you want to upload your thing, you're gonna have to download YouTube Studio from the App Store, open that up, and it's gonna be your channel, and wherever you want to upload the video, you're gonna click on the video that you want to upload the thumbnail to, click the little pencil at the top, and then you're gonna click this little image, and then you're gonna click the little change, and you get to pick whatever you want. I've already done that, so I have it right here. And then you're gonna click select at the top and boom. Also, this YouTube video that you see right here is about to come out this Friday, so if you want to show some love, please go check it out and like it up. Appreciate it. Subscribe.